Inside a steel factory, workers were operating near a production line, handling hot red steel rods when one of the machines malfunctioned. Hot red steel rods slipped from the line and striking several workers and sending everyone nearby scrambling for safety as intense heat and sparks filled the scene. 3 workers were caught in the incident, with one suffering serious injuries from the falling material. Despite the danger, another worker rushed in and pulled the injured man away from the hazardous area while emergency alarms sounded throughout the factory. The frightening accident highlighted the extreme risks involved in heavy industrial environment and the importance of strict safety procedures around high-temperature materials. Inside a textile factory in downtown China, a female worker was operating a large rolling machine during a routine shift when the situation suddenly turned dangerous. Without warning, the machine caught her hand and pulled her into the fast-moving rollers, causing panic among nearby co-workers as the equipment continued spinning at high speed. Inside an industrial workshop, workers were using a crane to lift several large metal rods across the facility during a routine operation. As the heavy load was being moved through the workspace, part of the material unexpectedly became caught on a section of the workshop structure below. Without warning, the crane's force pulled part of the structure loose before it suddenly broke free and came crashing down into the work area below. One of the workers nearby was struck by the falling debris as co-workers rushed to help and emergency procedures were immediately activated. The frightening incident highlighted the dangers of overhead lifting operations and the importance of clear load paths. Inside a heavy industrial facility, a worker was operating a lifting machine to move large metal products across the production floor. The massive load hung suspended in the air as everything appeared to be going smoothly, with nearby workers continuing their tasks around the area. But without warning, the lifting line suddenly snapped under the pressure. The heavy metal products came crashing down onto the worker below, sending co-workers rushing toward the scene as alarms echoed through the facility. The devastating accident highlighted the extreme dangers of suspended loads.